Hey, what's up everyone? Are you tired of spending money on accessories that don't fit right, don't last, or just don't live up to the hype? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down the top must-have accessories for your Galaxy S25 Ultra, so you only buy what's actually worth your money. Whether you're after protection, convenience, or performance, I've got the best picks for you. From charging solutions to protective cases, there's something for every type of user, so stick around for the best options. Trust me, some of these accessories will completely change how you use your phone. And as always, all the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for the essentials, this list has it all. Let's jump right in. Number 6. CASEKOO Crystal Clear 360 DG Spin Magnetic Stand. If you want maximum protection without hiding your phone's sleek design, this case is a solid pick. It offers 16-inch-foot military-grade drop protection, which is better than most clear cases on the market, keeping your phone safe without compromising on style. The 360 DG rotatable magnetic stand makes it super convenient for hands-free use, and it's MagSafe compatible for easy wireless charging. However, it does attract fingerprints, and the added features make it a bit bulkier than minimalist cases. Compared to the Spigen Nano Pop Mag Fit, this one has better drop protection and stand functionality, making it a great choice for those who need both protection and convenience. Whether you're watching videos or taking calls, the adjustable stand makes this case versatile. But be prepared for a bit of extra bulk if you want all the features. Pros: great drop protection, MagSafe support, versatile stand. Cons: fingerprint magnet, bulkier than minimalist cases. Number 5. TORRAS PolarCircle Key 2 MagSafe Charger. Ever had your phone overheat while charging? This charger solves that problem with built-in cooling technology, keeping your device up to 30 DEC cooler for a healthier battery life. It delivers 15W fast charging, has a strong magnetic hold, and even comes with a 360 DD rotatable stand for added convenience. This is perfect for those who want to keep their phone charged quickly without overheating. Compared to the Anker Mag Go Slim Key 2, this one stands out because of its active cooling feature, ensuring your phone charges efficiently without overheating. Just keep in mind that it requires a 30W adapter not included, and the cooling fan makes a slight noise, but it's barely noticeable. Plus, the sleek design and compact size make it easy to integrate into any desk setup without clutter. Pros: active cooling, fast charging, MagSafe compatibility. Cons: requires 30-watt W adapter, slight fan noise. Number 4. XIU Wireless Charger. Safety with an M. If you're tired of messy cables, this 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger is a lifesaver. It charges your Galaxy S25 Ultra, Galaxy Watch, and Galaxy Buds simultaneously, making it a perfect desk or travel accessory. The zinc alloy build gives it a premium feel, but the charging speed isn't as fast as individual chargers, and device placement has to be precise for optimal charging. However, its foldable design is a major plus for portability, and you can easily slip it into your bag or carry it around. Compared to the Samsung Wireless Charger Trio, this one is more portable due to its foldable design, but the Samsung Charger has slightly better charging speed. If portability and convenience matter more to you than speed, this is a great pick. It's ideal for those who are always on the move and need a compact, all-in-one charging solution. Pros: 3-in-1 functionality. Foldable design, premium build. Cons: slower charging speed, requires precise placement. Number 3. UltraGlass Unbreak Top 9 H+ glass screen protector. We all know how expensive screen repairs are, and this military-grade 9H+ screen protector is here to save the day. It provides full screen coverage, crystal clear visibility, and smooth touch response. The installation frame makes applying it super easy, though some users find it a bit thick and may have issues with case compatibility. The added thickness can sometimes affect how certain cases fit, so make sure you test it before finalizing your decision. Compared to the Spigen Glass TREC Fit, this one offers better shatterproof protection, but Spigen's version is slightly thinner, making it better for ultra-thin cases. If protection is your top priority, this UltraGlass Unbreak is the way to go. With military-grade toughness, you can rest assured that your screen will be shielded from drops, scratches, and everyday wear. Pros: superior shatterproof protection, full coverage, easy installation. Cons: can be thick, might not fit with all cases. Number 2, Rokform Rugged Case. For those who live an active lifestyle or work in demanding environments, this Rokform Rugged Case is a beast. With 6-foot military-grade drop protection, built-in magnets for easy mounting, and the RockLock twist lock system for secure attachment to mounts, this case is perfect for bikers, drivers, and adventurers. It's rugged, durable, and built to handle tough conditions, ensuring your phone stays safe no matter where life takes you. However, the magnets may interfere with wireless charging. You can remove them if needed, and it's slightly heavier than standard cases. Compared to the OtterBox Defender series, this one has a slimmer profile while still offering rugged durability. If you need a tough, mountable case, this is a fantastic choice. With the RockLock system, it's also great for anyone who needs their phone securely mounted during outdoor activities. Pros: military-grade protection, mountable, rugged design. Cons: may interfere with wireless charging, heavier than standard cases. Number 1, OtterBox Fast Charge Power Bank 1 500 mAh. And finally, the best accessory for your Galaxy S25 Ultra, the OtterBox Fast Charge Power Bank. If you hate running out of battery, this 500 mAh beast has got your back. It fast charges multiple devices at once with USB-A and USB-C ports, and it's super durable. As expected from OtterBox, the battery life is impressive and it's built tough, so you know it will last for years. Compared to the Anker PowerCore 1 500 Redux, this one has a tougher build, better brand reliability, and faster charging capabilities. The only downsides: it's a bit heavier than some power banks, and it doesn't come with a wall adapter. But honestly, if you want a powerful, reliable power bank, this is the one to get. Whether you're on a long road trip or at a crowded event, this power bank ensures you'll never be left with a dead battery again. Pros: powerful, 500 mAh, multiple charging ports, durable, easy, heavier than some power banks, no wall adapter. Final verdict: which one is the After testing and comparing all these accessories, the OtterBox Fast Charge Power Bank wins overall because it's practical, powerful, and works with all your devices. It's a must-have for anyone who's tired of running low on battery. However, if you prioritize protection, go for the Rokform Rugged Case. And if you want the best wireless charging experience, the TORRAS PolarCircle Key 2 is a great pick. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best tech recommendations. All the links are in the description. Check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.